Coriander rice recipe. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a flavorful coriander rice. Let's start on taking 2 cups of normal rice. Wash it thoroughly. Add 4 cups of water and soak for 10 to 20 minutes. Now let's prepare the coriander paste. Add some shallots, small piece of ginger, 1 bundle of washed coriander leaves, blend everything finely. Before starting to cook, keep ready green chilies, curry leaves and some cashew nuts. You can also use raw peanuts for better taste. Let's do tempering. Heat a cooker and add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Keep in low flame and add 2 spoons of channa at dough. Add cashews and curry leaves. Saute until dulls and cashews turns golden brown. Then transfer to a plate and keep aside. Again, heat the cooker and add 6 spoons of oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and green chili. Turn off the flame before adding the coriander paste. This prevents the oil from splashing. After 1 minute, add the coriander paste. Switch on the flame and cook the coriander paste until it turns aromatic. It usually takes 5 minutes. Stir in between to avoid burning. Then add the rice and water which we soaked. Add required salt and mix well. Cover with a lid and leave it for a whistle. Switch off and wait until steam releases naturally. Then open the lid, gently mix everything. Finally, add our tempering on top. Mix well. Now our flavorful coriander rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.